My name is Dan Blank. I'm the CEO of Toggle. Toggle is a construction robotics company working to make some of the most difficult and dangerous tasks in construction safer and more efficient. As construction becomes larger and more complex, we're still relying upon methods that are old and unchanged from previous generations. And specifically, reinforced concrete is the most common building material in all of construction. And the process for putting together rebar, which is found on every construction site, is highly manual labor intensive and very inefficient. Working with rebar is a very difficult process for humans. The bars are very large and heavy and difficult to manipulate. And so our solution is to introduce robotics into this process to take the heavy lifting out of humans' hands and allow automation and machinery to make the process more efficient. With humans focusing on the jobs that best suited their abilities and robotics doing the heavy lifting. So what it does is it decreases the labor cost by about half and can increase the productivity by 5 times the old process. By transitioning to digital design and fabrication of concrete, we can engineer more efficient use of materials and actually reduce the amount of concrete being used in construction while still getting the same structural benefit. We believe that the construction industry is in the midst of a major transition, and at Toggle we want to be leaders in the introduction of robotics into the way that we build cities and large-scale infrastructure.